Hey guys, this is how you would set up your project inside of Maya. Go over to File, then Set Project. Navigate over to your desktop, create a new folder and name it first initial, last name, underscore, master. You'll get a pop-up. Go ahead and click on Create Default Workspace. Now navigate over to File, then select Project Window. Make sure your current project shows the master folder that you just created. Also, make sure that the location is set to your desktop. If your current project is correct and your location is correct, go ahead and hit the Accept button. Now, go to File, Save Scene As. Make sure that in the address bar it reads first initial, last name, underscore, name of the project, underscore, the date. Now press the Save As button. Now let's check out our master folder to see if we have all our files. Now as you can see, I'm inside of my master folder with all of the folders generated by Maya. Now let's go inside my scenes folder and see if my file was saved in the right spot. And here it is, my scenes file saved inside of my scenes folder. Perfect. I have my master folder set up with all of my folders and my current scene inside of my scenes folder. This folder is where you'll be saving all of your scenes, regardless of the project that you're working. And that is how you set up your project folder inside of Maya. Alright you guys, thanks for watching.